What can we expect from Bitcoin's late-stage bull market? Recently, it appears that the Bitcoin market is taking 2 steps forwards and 1 step back. For example, on March 13th, the price of Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $61,711.87, but instead of settling around $60,000, the asset continued to fall. In the last 24 hours, the price of BTC has dropped to the $53,000 range, representing a 3% and 1% drop in the daily and weekly timeframes, respectively. Previously, Sven Henrich, founder of Northman Trader, noted a new pattern in the Bitcoin market and the break of a bullish trend. The analyst claims that, following the bullish falling wedge breakout, Bitcoin needs to make new highs sooner or risk a trend break as negative divergences become more pronounced. Henrich illustrated how Bitcoin had bounced off the wedge support line and returned to the broken support line in the first week of March in the image below. He observed a pivot of control here and predicted that a decision would be made soon. Meanwhile, the crypto fear and greed index value was 66 as of March 23, indicating that traders may be becoming greedy, implying that the market is due for a correction. However, the values remain in the green zone, indicating that investors are not yet succumbing to FUD, despite the fact that the digital assets price has fallen over the week. Glassnode recently suggested that market conditions are similar to the later stages of a bull market, with Bitcoin's consolidation between $53,600 and $61,500. Markets would eventually reach a euphoric peak as whales increased their spending of Bitcoins to profit. Surprisingly, wallet holdings of more than 100 BTC have been flat on net over the last 3 years, despite the appearance of smallholder accumulation. According to the analysts, the asset's price could fall further as a correction phase. However, Bitcoin has a strong chance of entering this later stage bull market.